If you're trying to avoid screen times at restaurants or prevent meltdowns, here's a fun, creative little box that you can make to take out with your kids. So I literally just picked up one of these boxes from the arts and crafts store. You can keep it plain or you can customize it. I customized this one with the Cricut machine. And here's a few essentials that you can put inside of the box. Some markers. Keep them engaged. You can get a small little notebook, like a notepad or something like that. You know, my son's already started to like doodle in some of this. Stickers. Stickers are really great, especially if they're younger. These kind of like 3D elevated stickers that are easy for them to get with their little hands are going to be super helpful. This is also a really great tip if you are on an airplane and you want to keep your kids busy. So they can take off stickers one at a time and put them on the paper. So that's another great way to keep them busy. And another thing that I always like to add in is whatever their favorite little toy is of the moment. You know, these little push ones are super popular right now, so you can add one of those. You can add something that's going to be kind of like walk across the table and it's going to be silly and funny, so that's another one you can add in there. And I like to just keep this together at all times, and I just take it out with me. I never even take it out of whatever bag I usually take out when we have the kids, and I just keep it all together, and then I'll just restock it up with some new things just to keep it interesting.